Hi, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Safi and I'm making this video to explain you how to use the classera. After the first day experience of using classera, I felt that some parents and some students are feeling it difficult to use. They don't know how they can submit their classwork or homework or any online assessment or text. So this video will explain you about that. Inshallah, after watching this video, a lot of problems that you face today will be resolved. Still, if you have any problem, you can contact me. So I will try to help you out regarding that matter. So when a student will open his Classera account, the window will look like this one. Here you have the grades option. Here is the online assessment portion. If any teacher added any assessment for you, so you need to check here. Like right now, this window is showing that student is having three assessment because it is pointing out three, so three assessments are there. So any of the assessment that you have to complete, you will just click. For example, if the student want to complete the English assessment, so he need to click this portion. Once you will click on this one, this information will be there. Remember one thing, you will be allowed to submit the assessment one time only. Once you submit it, whether you submit it empty, you will not have the option to rejoin it. So your marks in that assessment will be automatically zero. Like here, the assessment name is written, created date, and the maximum marks, and this is the due date. Due date mean before this time you should must submit it to the teacher here in this portal, and submission is one time only. It means you are allowed to submit it only one time. You will not be allowed to submit it more than one time. So when you will start it, once you will start it, read the questions carefully and answer. Maybe when you will submit the answer, the system will say your answer is wrong, but it doesn't mean that your answer will be wrong. Because here you can see for any question, the teacher will have to put the answer as well. But if your answer is even one spelling different from that one, so the computer will say no, it is wrong. It will not be wrong. uh, the teacher will mark it automatically in the system. The teacher have the access to mark it accordingly, looking at your material what you provided. So you need not to worry about that if the computer says that it is wrong. After writing the answer, when you will submit here, so it means your assessment has been assignment has been submitted. Okay, after that, if you have to check about any exam will appear here. Like right now no exam is available, so there is nothing. Any course material, like this portion will explain the teacher has any course material, or you can come to the courses. For example, you want to look that is anything new in the bio, so you will click the bio portion, relevant subject. Here there are two categories. One is the general category, and here one more window can be here that will be on the daily basis. Teacher will add the preparation accordingly. You can check that. If you want to check that, you can go to the weekly study plan for that. If the teacher added any weekly plan here, that will be appear to you here. For example, here the computer teacher added the lesson, and he gives some comments about that. You can read them. This is your weekly plan that you are going to take on 29. This will be on the 30th. This will be available, and any relative material about that one, the teacher will already put it in advance. You can check here. Like I will go to the computer portion. So here you can see the teacher added this one and this one. These are the two different days lesson that the teacher added. In the general category will be the mixed things that will take time for you to find out, but here it will be easy for you to find out. You can find it. For example, if I will click here, now here is the complete detail that this is the weekly study plan. You have to do this one. The teacher added the discussion room. You can ask the question to the teacher here. If any video or any other material will be available, that will also be available here. Like right now in this portion, a course material is available, so you can watch the course material from here. Here is the discussion room created by the teacher, so you can ask the question about the same topic in this discussion room. Teacher can create discussion room for every topic separately, and in most cases it is created, so you can ask here. If you need the course material, when you will click the course material will appear. Here is the detail. You want to download it or you want to just view it. I think it will be available at later time sometime it is available, but when you will open it will not open. It means it will be available to you before your class time. It will not be available before the class time. Okay, also here you can watch if you have any live virtual class, so its notification will be here. Here the video lecture will be, discussion rooms, assessment. Any assessment if you submitted, its result will appear here, or any pending assessment is there. Here is the notification for the virtual classroom. If you have any live classroom, here will be the notification for that. And if you have to submit your classwork, if the teacher did not add any assessment and you have to submit the classwork by taking your picture from your notebook or anything else, so you can use the mailbox instead of sending the to the teacher in the WhatsApp group. Use the mailbox. When you will open the mailbox, you can come to the compose option, and from the compose option you will use the attachment, or if any other thing you don't have an attachment, you just have to write in Word, so you can submit it here. You can put the attachment and the reply also you will see here. Also, this portion of the notification will explain you if something new has been added from the teacher, so you can watch that also from here. So it is very simple, user friendly software. With a little effort, you once you will come to know how to use it, it will be very easy for you, and in your own easy time you can use that. And one more thing about the online assessment. Online assessment, every online assessment will have a due date. You must have to complete it before the due date. Also, when you will submit it, sometime the system will say that it is wrong. But don't worry, because I mentioned earlier as well that if the system is saying wrong, it means a system will look for even every single thing, comma, uppercase, lowercase letter. So you need not to worry about that. Teacher will have the access to check it manually as well. And here the course material, if any course material is added, it will appear here. Right now you can see different course materials are available. You can go to the course material of your own choice and click that one. Like right now, for example, I'm going to this one, so it will open. So quite easy to use. I think these were some doubts and queries that students were having. So hopefully you will understand now how to use it. In case if you have any further doubt, let me know. I will explain you. Thank you.